but these are my Korea nails. Alfred Eden. I'm excited. Hey guys, let's pack to go to Korea. Also, don't look at Cookie on my forehead. I have a little pimple. I have 14 hours and 7 minutes until I have to be at the airport, and I would show you my progress on packing, but there is none. Do you like my hair? I just got it done. In fact, there's 3 different parts to this video. Although I'm about to pack right now, you're not gonna see that till the end of the video. Right now, you're gonna see a mini montage of me getting my hair done, which was after I got my nails done, so let me show you my nails first. These are my little nails, and little, yes they are, because she cut them a little short, but that's okay. I normally have them longer. I don't know if you can see properly, but they're all different. And this one is my favorite. It has these pink gems, but these are my Korea nails. Korea nail check, say cheese. Okay, kind of matches my phone case. I unfortunately did not get to bring you along to get my nails done, but you will see a mini montage of me getting my hair done with some cute little music now.
Bam, open it up.
Okay.
How do you feel?
I'm excited. Oh yeah, we're so back. Yay!
Cool. So you see how it kind of...
Hair is done. And Korea ready. Okay, so I legitimately have to clock into work. Well, in like 15 minutes, so. Korea in 4 days. Yay! I love her. I love her. Okay, time to go. Okay, so that was all the footage I got from getting my hair done. And you know, at the end of the day, I wanted to get my nails and hair done in Korea and it'd be like glow up in Korea. But I simply could not just get on the plane with the hair that I had and outgrow nails. That just didn't feel right for me. And I'm only there for a little over a week, so I didn't want to waste any time. Not that that'd be wasting, but you get what I'm saying. I wanted to be fully feeling prepared and ready. We are finally there. And a few days later, aka yesterday from when I'm recording this now, I on Monday went to LA with Nathan and Katie, and I did vlog all of that. So I'm gonna insert everything, and this is probably a very meaty part of this video, just like a whole vlog, a whole LA vlog of us busting a mission. You'll get to see that right now, and then afterwards we will circle back to present, and I will see you then to pack. My suitcase is not even in my room. Don't look at Cookie. So without further ado, let's now get into our little LA mission, LA adventure. You'll see what happens. Okay, all right, see you in a bit. See you later. And then we'll pack. Okay, bye. You good? Those straws from the boat machine. These are them, right? Okay, Spotify, play Late Night Calls by P1 Harmony. Keith Urban, no! Play Late Night Calls by P1 Harmony. Who is that? Oh, we're right here. I posted on my story we're busting a mission, but that was supposed to be us getting Katie. Little did we know this is our mission before the mission. And we don't have any Dutch Bros in San Diego. Actually, Oceanside. That's 40 minutes out. That's the one that we passed. I know, I didn't know you were down, so I didn't want to say anything.
I'm always down for food.
Katie in the group chat was like, so BCD? And Nathan was like,
what's BCD?
the silence before and after is so funny. You look like you're going crazy. Ew. This is day 2 of being in line at Dutch Bros. Nathan wants one of those cones. They have so many. They're not even using those. Oh, bitch, you're just grabbing it. The Dutch Bros is secured.
We out.
We out of here. Taste test. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, let's see these.
No, it was sunny.
Are you gonna like starve? Are we getting?
Yes, BCD. What's BCD? I need to go pee so bad. Dude, I need to go pee. Ooh. Nathan severely needs to pee. Tinker! I need to pee. Dude, he's going through it. Nathan! No! No! They don't.
How do we go cross?
Oh no, there's no crosswalk. There's no crosswalk. No, we're getting wet. This is so.
Oh my god!
Is it that serious? Oh, Nathan! Here? Okay. I can't believe we did that. Okay, let's go. This is why we check the weather app before leaving the house. What a mission.
Mission? Possible.
Mission possible. Oh god. Did it come through?
Alright.
Did it open?
Let's hit it.
You look crazy.
I think I want.
Don't look behind.
He's behind me, isn't he?
So this one is right.
B C D B C D B C D B C D. Fiending for this pit bull right now. Fingers crossed. Aw, man. We can sing it. Hey baby girl, what you doing tonight? Oh, oh, oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, singing it revived. Oh my god! Wait, why was that magic? We are once again at BCD, but a different one this time. Oh!
Is she blonde? Oh my god, you're doing it!
He's happy. His first BCD. Oh, crack it open. It's a Kinder egg.
No, shake it. Is this cooked?
No, it's raw. Raw.
So you told me to crack it open?
I was kidding. Don't do this. No, it's raw. It's raw. It's raw. It's raw. It's for your soup. It's for your soup. It's for your soup. corner. Becky Mart, that girl's a killer. So magical.
Just come over and bite me. It's you and me in this world.
Bree's leaving us. She's going to Korea. We are back. We are back. Welcome back. Don't look at my room. Hey, wait, it's giving Bora hai. Welcome back. It is now the next day from my little LA adventure with Katie and Nathan. I feel like Katie has been in my past million videos, but I know y'all are not complaining. I need to go get the suitcase and it's finally hitting me. So let's go get that suitcase and figure out this room situation. I already have a packing list going on in my notes app, so I'm not completely, you know, oblivious to what I need or what I'm wanting to bring. Oh, also I got more clothes. So let me show you that first. So I know I just showed you a haul of clothes that I got recently, but I got 4 more pieces. Ew, that looked nasty. Update, I did get the zipper fixed. Thank you, Dad. Love you, Dad. So starting off again from Elfric Eden, I will link their website down below with a little code you can use. But I got this asymmetrical denim, I don't know what this wash is called. She's very cute, not too high-waisted. I'm definitely bringing this to Korea with me. Is it 30 degrees over there? Yeah, but I will figure that out later. Item number 2, which to be honest might be what I wear to the airport tomorrow because it's not too thick or thin, but it is this Elfric Eden. It just says that and then the AEL. This was reminding me a little bit of TXT. This is what the sleeves look like. And the back is just plain. I love the chrome. And then I don't know what the 44 means, but being an F1 girly, I see this and think Lewis Hamilton, so that's fine by me. I'll take it. I also have this, I think these are called aviator jackets, but I got this bad boy. Low-key been wanting a jacket like this for a while, and especially with the weather over there, I think she'll come in handy. Last but not least, again, this is something I typically would not wear considering the color. My hair is just so magenta, and this is more of what my hair looked like when it was faded. But it has all of these pockets, functional pockets on the legs. Don't know how I'm gonna style this, but I like the color. It's a cute little addition to my closet. So now we are done with the clothing haul. So now it's time to actually get my suitcase. Okay, update. It has been like 8 hours since my last clip. I took a nap, I ate, I continued packing, don't worry. I just wanted to give you an update as to where we are. I'm currently dealing with this. There's a lot going on. It's okay, I'm gonna figure it out. But I have 2 leather jackets and my pink puffer and then this denim jacket. And my issue is I wanna bring all 3. But this, okay, because this jacket is brown, black brown, right? This one is black, so it's different. Oh my god, dude, I just got off FaceTime with my friend and he's like, remember, Brie, don't overpack. Me currently trying not to overpack. The suitcase is looking very pink per usual, and this is probably the fit that I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I have it on just to see. I look like Pat. If you know who Pat is, I feel like this is something she would wear. This is Pat Core. Time check. 8:27. Don't look at the song. Thinking about Ricky, to be honest. I am going to be bringing this on the plane. My mom gave it to me and I figured it'll be very helpful. I'm not putting my makeup on, and I made sure to ask my friend Nathan if he was wearing makeup because he is a makeup queen. And if I was gonna get off my flight and then meet up with him an hour later after he lands and he has a full face of makeup and I look like this, I just needed to make sure we were on the same page, you know? So glad to hear that he's not putting any makeup on. My bed situation is like when I'm putting in my personal items. So like my laptop, passport, headphones, this thing, my neck pillow. I have my universal adapter. Just giving you an update. I'm gonna go finish packing. T-minus 6.5 hours until we leave the house. Okay, I'm gonna go back to packing, okay? We'll touch base when I figure this out. I feel like I'm just going to school. This is my, oh, I'm wearing my sweatpants, but this is my outfit look. Not her either. I'm gonna wear that black leather jacket over there, but my personal item, she is secured. I obviously cannot close my suitcase yet because I have like my toiletry stuff that I need to use tonight. I also need to do an everything shower, and we all know how long that's gonna take. So that is, I think, my last step of preparation. My room's looking so bare. Like that clothing rack, she's stripped. My mom just came in right now. It's currently 9:13 and she asked me if I was gonna sleep, and we leave in 6 hours and 30 minutes. So I don't think I'm going to sleep. I'll sleep on the plane. I'm bringing 2 bags. I have a hot pink. They're both hot pink, actually. I won't lie to you. I only have pink bags. So I'm bringing a Coach one and a Louis one. And then I have my Motomami boots. And I'm gonna wear my black Adidas Sambas. And then I can't travel without my iconic pajama shirt. The boys. Well, not the boys, but my boys. People not me. Now I just need to put in the last minute boring stuff like socks. Boo! No one wants to see that. Okay, I have been packing for a few hours now, and I'm gonna call it a day. I think, you know, after the last finishing touches, I'm pretty much done. So there's nothing much I can do until tomorrow morning. And I'm going to do that awfully long shower now and probably try and edit this video. We'll see how quickly I can get this up. Ooh, I'm gonna let you guys go. I have lots to think about and dream about, and just a lot of videos to edit. So it has been 8 years since I wanted to go to Korea now. If you told me in 2016 that I would be going to Korea with a friend to go meet up with friends that I have in Korea as a fun little spontaneous trip, I would not have believed you. I don't like just going alone, just going to Korea alone. Traveling alone. I'm half traveling alone, you'll see. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you my friend Nathan. I love him. It's going to be me and him. We are at the same terminal and like 1 gate away, so we'll be close until we have to part ways, and then I arrive first and he comes an hour later, so not too big of a difference, and then we're gonna go to our hotel together. So, but of course you're gonna be there to see it anyways, so I'll see you then. Thank you guys so much for this crazy video with 3 different parts, but it's about to get even crazier if I'm being honest with you. So love you, and I will see you very soon. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye.